Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to do a quick unboxing of the Cricut Maker machine just to give you an idea of what to expect if you're thinking about purchasing this machine. So now I'm just opening up the box. The first thing that you're going to see when you open it is your Let's Get Started box, and it's going to have your first project as well as the instruction manual. Now I'm just going to pull everything out of the box and then give you a brief overview of each item. As you can see, the box included the machine itself, a power cord, a light grip mat, and a fabric mat. Now going back to your Let's Get Started box, and inside you will find your first project, you will find your instructions of how to set the machine up, and you will also see that you have your rotary blade and a fine point pen. Now I am just opening up your first project, which will consist of a card, and once you set up your machine, it will walk you step by step with how to complete the project, as well as changing out your blades and everything that you will need to know to complete this project. Now I am going to be unwrapping the machine itself, and as you can see, I chose to get the pink color. I really love this color, and your fine point blade will already be in the machine, so you do not have to install it. But when you start to complete your first project, it will prompt you to switch out the blades, but it's pretty simple. And that is it, guys. I hope you all enjoyed this short video. If you would like to see more in the future, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and I thank you all for watching.